G'day everybody, just a quick word from Emma Doyle here. I'll be running the Emerging Leadership Program. I'm going to be focusing on how do we now elevate you with practical skills. We're going to be having lots of practice sessions. It's going to be an active learning, a little bit of fun, a little bit of gamification along the way. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all and hopefully seeing you on the other side. Actually, I'm a coach. I'm going to get rid of the word hopefully, and please reach out if you have any questions, but I'm super excited to unpack these three core components around how building confidence from the inside out. Of course, being able to be flexible, adaptable, and dynamic in the fast-pacing industry of manufacturing to be able to transform yourself and others, because your ROI equals your IOR, improvement on relationships. So on that note, looking forward to seeing everybody at Emerging Leadership Program, thanks to the National Tooling Machining Association.